You know, it's funny. Some of my most popular videos are just repairs of things that happen in day-to-day life. And this is a perfect example of it. We got a bunch of these stainless steel flask mugs. They're great. Thick-walled. Great inside. They're basically kidney busters by anybody's standard. But the problem with this one is it broke. And you can hear maybe a little rattling on the inside. It's a pretty easy fix. Let's go to a top-down shot and get right to it. We've been using these mugs for about 8 months, and the handles are usually really tight and solid. But sometimes you're just going to get one that's going to be working against you. There's a little secret down here that's going to help you. All you need is maybe some tweezers or a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head. When I was trying to figure out how to fix this, I'm looking at this little piece of metal down here and I'm saying, wow, maybe I'll have to glue it in. How's it glued in? But then my son said there's something rattling on the inside. Maybe that has something to do with it. I was looking at this handle. This is made of 2 parts, an outside piece and an inside piece. And so if you just come in here and pry at the edges, you'll pop out that piece. All there is a Phillips head screw on the top and the bottom. You can see right here. And that was the rattling, this little screw on the inside. Find a Phillips head that works. I like to put the screw on the Phillips head itself because that helps guide it in. Screw it down. Not really sure why this screw came loose. Maybe it just didn't get in there well in the first place. And look at that. The handle is in there. Now I've noticed this screw is a little loose on top. So what I'm going to do is tighten that one down. You don't want to over tighten. That's a plastic piece. And maybe even want to go with a washer. Had to turn that one around a couple times. When it comes down to design, is it teenage proof? That's what you got to ask yourself. But now that handle's in there rock solid, all I do is take this other piece. You can see there's a groove here on the inside, on the top and the bottom. There's these grooves here on the top of the bottom. And a couple little pressure clamps there. And just push it in. Looks like you have to line it a little bit. There you go. Pop it in place. And that's the repair. And now this, guys, is solid as this handle, or any other handle like it. I imagine this is kind of a consistent design piece for all sorts of these flasks, mugs, or whatever it is. So even if you don't have this towel design, it probably will work for you. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, repair things that are broken. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.